this is...
Hey guys, I'm Dad. I'm Lana's dad.
Why do you always say that?
Because that's like our intro. Most people have like YouTube intros and all these like animations, but that's our intro. So, what are we doing today, kiddo?
Well, today we have a watermelon. Now, what we were originally going to do with this is we were going to cut it in half and see who could eat the most of it.
With our hands tied behind our back?
Yeah, but then Dad saw a video of these kids who put rubber bands around the watermelon and it exploded.
So we got some rubber bands. She got her own set of rubber bands. We're gonna have a challenge to see whoever can make the watermelon explode.
And if you get the watermelon to explode, you lose. And because we do not want to waste the watermelon, the loser has to eat the rest of it.
Okay, all right. Hey, but first we're trying something new. So go ahead and text Alana to... No, just say it.
Oh.
Turn it on. So go ahead and text Alana to...
844-333-7471.
Yeah, we're trying something new, so go ahead and text the word Alana to 884-333-7471. You'll see what comes up. So
If you couldn't, like...
she's never gonna respond to you. She's gonna personally respond to you.
Up here is the phone number. Right up here. Dad.
Oh,
Only
I gotta edit in there, don't I?
Yeah. Only special people can see it. Wink, wink.
Mm-hmm. All right, so how are we gonna kick this off? Oh, don't forget our PPE. Gotta have safety glasses on. You don't wanna get no watermelon in the eyes.
Where's my safety glasses?
These are mine.
Yeah, but where's mine? Did they fall? Found them! Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready if you're... Oh, who's going first?
Do you want to go first?
We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah, okay. We'll do it above the watermelon so you guys can see. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, man.
All right, I'm going first.
Oh, no, I'm going first because I lost. Unless
No, it's the winner gets to choose who goes first.
Okay, you can go first.
I'll take. Go ahead. You can go first.
No, you can go first.
No, you go first.
No, you go first.
No, you go first.
No, you go first.
Yeah, I'll go first. All right, so first rubber band.
And it's on. I have skinny ones because those ones are very they're hard to stretch, and I couldn't put it over the watermelon, so I got the skinny ones.
Yep. How many do you think it's gonna take? I'll tell you what. How many do you think rubber band is gonna take? And I will personally count them all. The closest person to the number of rubber band it takes to pop this watermelon will send you a iTunes or Apple gift card.
Apple or Android.
What? Oh yeah, what did I say? Apple or what?
Apple or
Apple or Android. Android or iTunes gift card.
Yeah.
Electronic mail.
Because some people they have. Whoa.
Yeah, what?
Some people they have Apple phones, and so they use iTunes. But other people.
Oh wait a minute. How do you know if they don't cheat? How do you know if they're not counting them and go to the end?
Because we are actually not going to say how much there's going to be. So you have to comment down below.
I like that. We'll count them later on.
We don't want to. These glasses make things look far away and
Ready?
taller. Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, so what number are we on?
I know what number we're on. Shh. You can't tell them.
Wait, did you know that?
I did know that. I've been counting them, kiddo. As we start getting more and more rubber bands, we're going to scoot back just in case. I don't know if it's going to go. I don't know what's going to happen. To be honest
There's
with you.
another video and it actually didn't explode. Dad
It just
thinks it's going to explode.
out. I seen one where the whole thing popped out and the guy jumped back. It was a little tough. What are you doing this weekend, Lana?
We're actually going camping.
Mm-hmm. A little dirt bike track. Yep. Okay, I got it.
You got it?
You want my turn or your turn?
Your turn.
Okay. So if I make it explode, I win or lose?
You lose.
Okay, it's like Jenga.
Now we are? Okay.
And here we go. It's awfully quiet. You guys hear all the birds chirping? I know it's going to show up pretty loud in the... Oh, it's getting squishy. Just kidding, nothing's even happening yet. We'll speed up a little bit for you guys in the meantime. This might take a while. What a perfect day.
Come on, Dad.
What do you guys think is going to happen?
I don't think it's going to explode.
You guys think it's going to explode? Or it just, maybe it's be tough enough, it's going to hold all the rubber bands. Man, you really got to stretch these ones. You go back to the gym.
Whoa.
What?
There's sound. Uh-oh. I forget where we were at.
Okay. So Alana's kind of sad. Want to tell them about the kittens?
2 of them got taken.
2 of them got taken, but they went to a good home. They didn't get taken. They went to a really good home.
Mm-hmm. When I talk, I can't focus on what I'm thinking about, so I just lost the number.
I know where we're at.
Okay. You're 30?
Next year. Yeah. I don't know. I know how many it takes.
I think it's going to take 100.
We should have enough of them. Might rain. So we may get rain down a little bit while we're doing this. Alright. Yeah, we're going to start scooting back here pretty soon. It's like pressure, right? You ever squeeze something? Takes a second and you squeeze a little harder and harder and harder, and what happens? Pops off.
But sometimes...
We'll call it an experiment.
It's 36 or 37.
Alright, lost count. We'll count them.
It's 36.
Okay. You gotta scoot your face back. If you're not doing it, you gotta scoot back, scoot your face back, just in case something happens.
The one video we watched where it didn't explode, they put a lot on there.
Did they?
And there was 4 of them.
Was there?
Yeah. Oh. We'll count them back later. I just
Yeah.
lost count again.
It's fine.
So you guys can see from the speed up if the watermelon is getting shrunk, but we can't.
Mm-hmm.
So tell us if it is shrinking, because we don't know. I think it is. I think the watermelon. You know when you put like a rubber band that's too tight for your wrist, and then your wrist starts getting swollen and red?
Uh-huh.
Your arm doesn't pop off.
But if you head down long enough, you can cut off your circulation and essentially lose your arm. Go ahead, your turn. Let's see, it's starting to crack.
It is?
That one just formed here. That one is getting bigger.
Uh-oh, guys.
So if I had to guess, put your face next to it. It's a lot of pressure. We call that stored energy.
We should do the elephant thingy next.
What's the elephant thing?
It's like the elephant toothpaste. We should do that one next. Make a big explosion.
What I want to do is I want to get a kid pool, right? Fill it with like liters of RC,
What's RC?
soda, Coke, Pepsi,
Let's do Sprite, because I don't like.
and then get like 1,000, 2,000 Mentos on a bucket with a string, pull it, and watch it explode and fizz.
That would be cool. We should totally do that. And I'll be in there. I'll be in the pool with the soda.
I don't know what happened if you're actually in the pool.
Comment down below. What do you think would happen if you were in there while the thing was
See
exploding?
a whole bunch. You ever had like a whole bunch of soda, like the fizz, and it gets up your nose? Guarantee that would happen. Starting to.
Yeah. From back here, it's like all of it is kind
Put
of
your hand in
like
front of it.
forming in. Looks pretty cool.
That's probably why the pressure's like right here. All right, put your head back.
I personally want it to explode on me because I'm hungry.
As long as it doesn't hurt us. Biggest thing here is nobody wants to get hurt.
Watermelon is very tough. It's probably one of the toughest fruit there is. Other than the coconut. The coconut's pretty tough. But like if this watermelon just comes flying down on you,
That's gonna hurt.
yeah. So we are taking our precautions. Make sure that we'll be okay. I think we'll be fine.
Let's give it a second, see if it does anything. Starting to squeeze a little bit.
Comment down below if it started to get skinnier. This poor watermelon. I think it's gonna start getting pretty intense. It's our kitty cat.
Just bring the cat back.
This is our kitty cat. His name is Angel. I'm gonna get him. Wow! I'm gonna get him away from the watermelon. Just in case. He's right down by the tripod, right by where you guys are on. He's just laying there.
So what'd you do today? No more school for you, huh?
No,
What do you do all day?
I just sit around. Don't really do anything. I honestly have been planning to do this for so long.
But Play games? Or you just sit in your room all day?
I actually like play video games.
You don't?
I do.
Oh.
I don't most of the time. Most of the time. A wink wink. But you know.
I'm sweating.
Started getting.
What's your favorite game you like to play?
Probably Roblox. I like to play Piggy.
Oh yeah, I played for the first time the other day, Piggy. I like when I'm the piggy and I gotta chase people around. Some people don't like it, but I thought it was pretty cool.
I think it's gonna start to. Whoa! This side looks so much bigger than this side. Oh my gosh! Ah! Dad, if you lose, I'll eat some of the watermelon with you.
Okay.
I like watermelon so much that our friend. Oh.
Was you a watermelon head?
No. Our friend, her name is Riley. She's been in our videos one time, and she told me. Oh, it's gonna start raining. I feel it. She told me that if I told her I love watermelon so much, and I could probably eat a whole watermelon. And she said, if you do, I'll give you $20. And I'm like, okay.
Would you do it?
Well, we didn't have a watermelon. I think she forgot about it. So, I think I could eat a whole watermelon because watermelon is like water.
And a melon. So I
And
call
a
it
melon.
watermelon.
Oh, do you see our other cat?
She posted a video a couple weeks ago about the kittens that we have.
Mm-hmm.
You guys can check that one out when you get a second. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's really starting to form over here.
It's been very nice these past couple of days, and we've taken those for advantage, like doing this. We've been playing with water. Dad's been working most of the time. Oh man.
Yeah, I gotta work.
I think this is all because of you. Because if we use these ones, we'd need like 5 million of these.
It would take a lot of them.
I think that's what the other people use.
Right. What's that?
These ones. I don't think they use the big ones. I'm gonna start running out in a couple of turns.
I got some more for you. 98.
Really?
99. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh man.
What are Mom's doing?
Probably working.
Yeah. I hope everyone's being safe during this time.
Mhm. You should see the back of this. It's like all forming in. Kind of scary, honestly, if you think about it. Just a huge watermelon exploding.
I'm gonna sit it like this so they can see that side.
Mm-hmm. Here, I'll show you.
Be careful. I'm starting to crack on this side too, though.
Oh man. Comment down below what you guys think it's gonna do. If you think it's going to actually explode, or if you think it's just going to like kind of like fall off. I think it's just gonna fall off, honestly.
You think so?
Well, maybe not because we have these ones. Like these ones are very strong. They're not very flexible either, so. I'm gross. Okay.
You see this side getting a little.
And if you want these rubber bands, just comment down below. We got a whole bunch of them. We don't want to waste, but if we have to, we probably will, right?
Yeah.
It's forming a lot. What do you guys think?
It's kind of like it's a little tough.
I can't do it. Never mind.
I think I'm like some of these I'm shaking on. Then it's at 3 cups of coffee.
There was an ant on my foot. Oh, it's starting to crack over here just a little bit. I mean, I thought this would take a bit longer, but I don't think it is.
Mm-hmm. More cats coming. What was that number again they should text?
844-333-7471. Dad,
Just kidding.
don't!
Just kidding.
Oh my god!
I would never.
Of course he wouldn't. He probably would.
I wouldn't. That's mean. We're aiming at the camera so the pops.
No, we don't want it to aim towards the camera. Then we'll have to buy a new one.
You almost out of rubber bands?
Almost, yeah.
I don't know who grew this watermelon, but it's a strong watermelon.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a long Jenga game.
Imagine if we do this and we get copyrighted striked. And we have to redo the whole thing. Like when YouTube takes your videos down because you showed something. Like,
There's nothing. Look, there's nothing in the background.
no, but because I don't know, because maybe we didn't cover something over here or something. Then we have to redo it all over again.
Yep. And it's got to be getting close. That's pretty tight.
Hello? Anybody in there?
You hear it?
Oh my god!
It's like you can hear a cracking sound now.
Uh-oh. Oh no! Dad!
Stand back.
Wait, I have a
So
really
we're
funny
gonna point
joke.
it this way.
Before it like pops, I just gonna do something really funny. Ready? Do you want to build a snowman?
It's cracking on this side. I don't know if it's gonna.
I think a couple more years and it's gonna go. This looks like a watermelon, like one of those tiny watermelons. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. You should be scared though.
Oh, it's definitely gonna pop on me if it pops.
But I want to eat the watermelon.
Once we get all the rubber bands off.
I don't know. The rubber bands could go like.
I guess they could.
Like when you do it on your knee like this, and it just goes. Mine didn't work because I don't have a. How about I do 3?
3 at a time.
Because I want to have a chance to eat the watermelon too.
How about 2 at a time?
3 is good. if you can hear the difference to the sound when you just knock on it, that's crazy.
That's a lot of rubber bands. Just do 2 at a time, kiddo. I think it's a little.
I'm almost running out, guys. Oh, man. I don't know how this... What if it explodes from the bottom? Oh my gosh, look it.
I know. It's like over here. It's like an hourglass. 2. Just do 2. All right, number. I don't know. We gotta go.
5 million. Just kidding. Oh my god. Ah. Oh no, what happened? They're. I wrapped it. This is the one, Dad. Yikes. Oh, that's so funny. It's definitely gonna pop on yours. Because yours are...
Still cracking over here though? No.
I kind of need more rubber bands.
I'll get you some.
Dad's got rubber bands for days. Even Dad's kind of starting to run out a little bit. Oh.
What?
I don't know if that was the watermelon. Look, it's watering.
Oh, it is. Water's coming out of the watermelon.
I felt it. Oh, yours is gonna pop. It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop. Wow! Dad, I dare you to put a picture right in here from the beginning, and now look at this.
Okay.
Man.
Starting to ooze. Got watermelon on my face.
Uh-oh, yours, it's gonna pop. It's gonna pop, Dad, it's gonna pop. Ah, it didn't pop. Okay. Do 3.
No, don't do 3, just do 2. You can't. I don't want you to put your face over it.
Uh-oh, it's gonna pop. This is the one. It's gonna pop, Dad.
Think this is the one?
I think this is the one. Just wait. Just wait. Okay, it didn't pop.
It's even starting to ooze over here.
It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop. Okay, it didn't pop. I don't think mine really mean anything because...
No, still gonna do something. Ooh.
Okay, it's gonna pop on this one. Stop it. Get off of me. I don't like you. Oh, did you put it on?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. This is the one. I think this is the one.
You gotta stop saying this is the one.
How?
You know how tight that is? Look at the other side. So over here it's starting to ooze out just a little bit. Oh.
I'm gonna start standing up.
Just in case. Move your chair then. Can the camera see you? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm short. It's getting hot out here.
Yeah, the sun just came out. Careful, just do two. No, and just do two.
Okay.
Woo.
Uh-oh.
Remember.
Oh my gosh. I think after this one and your one, I think it's gonna explode. I think that's the one.
You think so?
Yeah, I think
I don't know.
explode. Dang it. I just hope that it actually explodes and it doesn't just like bleh. No? Oh!
Explodes but doesn't hurt anybody. Whoop. Just shout out some juice at the camera.
It did?
Oh, see it? You play Fruit Ninja. Don't put your face in front of it. It's definitely. You see, every time you put a rubber band on it, it shoots water out. Tell me where it comes from. Look around this side, not in front of it.
Well, it's coming out of the top.
Is it?
There's water coming out of the top.
It's getting close.
Yeah, it's gonna be coming out of the top.
Yeah, make sure this is recording still. Yeah. Under pressure. Here you go, watch this.
Ah!
I'm running low. I'm running low.
Oh my gosh. I think this is definitely over 100.
Yeah, I think we lost count at like 30.
Yeah.
That thing is squeezing.
Man.
If we took them all off, do you think the shape would stay like that, or?
I don't know, but I really want to see.
You know, want to take them all off.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Yeah, just two.
It's like a worm. Oh. Look at, do you see my glasses? They got water splats on them. You probably can't see it because they're clear. But I can see it.
All right, kiddo.
How much do you have?
Just, this is
Oh
two.
man.
What?
Did you hear it when like it was like, I heard it kind of like a big thud. Like when you drop something on the floor. Oh man. Oh my gosh.
It's oozing.
It's oozing? Where?
It's getting, watch out. This might be the one. Can you guys see it?
Put it on quick.
Alright, watch out. You back up. I wasn't expecting it. I thought it was going to go a little higher.
Look it! We didn't even have to take it off.
But yeah, I didn't have to clean up.
That was me.
Who got the last one on there? Show it to him.
That's pretty good watermelon though.
Yep. That's what we're going to do now. Alana.
Whoa! I tripped on the camera.
Scoot back to me a little bit. Hey, what we're gonna do now is me and Alana get in there. Come over here. We're gonna go ahead and sit down and eat the watermelon now, because that's our both of our prizes, I guess. Look, it cut it right in half perfectly.
Woohoo!
Thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and subscribe and like to our channel. Don't forget to text Alana while she eats. All right, guys.
Bye.